Hello, this is Stephen Husett with the ITS Contact Center, and we're going to be going over a few videos, giving you some ideas of what some new features are in the new Office products. This video will be talking about Microsoft Word 2013, some of the new features that you can expect to see in that product. So I'm going to open up, I'm going to open up a new project of Word real quick here and slide it over here, and I just want to show everyone real quick, right off the bat it's going to look a little bit different. Microsoft's been going with a little more of a flat, web-friendly version of the software, web-friendly looking I should say. It doesn't have kind of that shine and that the previous versions have had, because they really want it to be as seamless as possible with their web version. So even though this is on the desktop, they've kind of are making everything look a little bit more the same as you go between the cloud and your local computer. Also, you'll notice here we have a bunch of really cool templates, and these templates, I think in some cases they've gotten a little bit better with their design. And so you can, of course, just click on any one of these and just start. You'll download them and just start editing, and save it and go on from there. One of the other, well, let me show you this real quick. This is kind of what I'm talking about. It looks a little bit different, but you still have that ribbon. So you still have all your tools grouped by category. And then here you can see they're grouped by subcategory. So insert, links or illustrations. You can get page layouts, setup, paragraph, arrange. It's all pretty much the same, but there is a little bit of a different look to it. But shouldn't be, I think, too big of a learning curve when you step into the new product. Alright, well, I want to show you some of the new features. The first feature we're going to show is they've made Word a little bit more like an e-reader. It has an e-reading function to it. Let's take a look at this document here. Now this is a long document that we would need to read, and of course we can read it in Word. How Word is set up already, but it makes it a little bit easier if we can go over to this View tab and go to the Read mode. In here, it kind of changes it a little bit more towards like an ebook, maybe making things a little bit easier to read for some. We have our navigation pane here if we need to jump to a specific page. And of course, you can also get rid of that navigation pane and just kind of read it like you see on the screen here. We got our back button and our forward button. And anytime we can hit this View tab here, open up that navigation pane again, or switch back to our edit document mode. So this is one nice new feature of Microsoft Word 2013. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at some more features. Alright, the next cool little feature that is in Word 2013 is the ability to insert online videos into your Word document for sending to people. You're actually embedding Word documents in there, or actually embedding YouTube videos or videos from other areas, or you can link them. Personally, I recommend linking them. I think embedding a video into a Word document can make that Word document rather huge. Certainly if you're wanting to send it through an email. But I'm going to show you how this is done. We're actually going to open up a new document, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to pick that annual report. Same template, but we're going to start from scratch, and we want to put a video at the bottom here. And so I'm going to go over to the Insert, Online Video under Media. And we're going to use their search tool here. If you have HTML codes or any codes from another web video, you can paste them in here. In some cases, they're going to kind of make you sign in with a Microsoft account, but we're not going to worry about that here. we're going to do a search right now for a video on, let's say, the Kindle Fire HD. It's a cool product. We want to embed a video in this document. So we're going to pick this little review video, and then we're going to say insert, and that video is now inserted. And then so whoever is reading this document can actually click on that video. It brings it up, and they can watch this this video, and then when they're done, they can just click out of it and back to the document. So that's another cool little trick that you can do, especially if you're writing a report and you're referencing maybe a video that's out there that you've produced, that someone else has produced, that you feel is important to your document. Okay, the next cool, the next neat feature we have is there's kind of a way where you can actually start collapsing large documents if they've been created with words headers. As you see here on the Home tab, you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so on. If you have a document that gets kind of lengthy and it involves headers, you can actually navigate where you see, I'm going to click on this document here, you see these little arrows pop up when I hover over the headings, and you can actually twirl these headers down and start collapsing things so that it doesn't get so crazy to read, and then when you're done you can actually uncollapse that and start to see. And the reason these went away when I collapsed this is that these actually are sub headers. This is actually a header 2, and this is header 3. Now of course I can collapse these individually, or if I collapse the header above it, it will collapse those as well. So it's a way to kind of manage your document, especially for documents, like I said, that get really big. Alright, another feature that I think a lot of people out there are going to be excited about or find useful is the fact that you can actually convert PDFs to Microsoft Word and edit them. Now, I'm not going to say that it works perfectly in every case, because I know sometimes like editable PDFs it's had problems with not being able to convert everything. There's layout issues and whatnot, but just plain PDFs, it seems to work pretty good. And here's one example. Now of course there's a little bit of formatting I think with this picture, but you know, other than some I think minor issues here and there, like I said, it works pretty good. I'm actually going to show you how to do this real quick. So we're going to actually open up a new document. And blank document, and we're going to go to the Insert tab, and we're going to go over here to Object. We're going to drop down and hit Text from File, and I'm going to pick this PDF. It's an older product, Acrobat 9, but this will do for our illustration purposes. And it's going to pop up and let us know that it's going to be converting, and it may take a while. So kind of just sit back and relax. We're going to hit OK. And you can see at the bottom here, as the progress bar goes through, kind of letting you know how long it's going to take, depending on the size of the document, speed of your computer, and whatnot. And alright, here it opens up, and we can see all our text now is editable. These pictures, we can delete them, we can move them around. You know, if we want to change some of this, like some of this text here, works better with everyone, works better for you. You do that. You know, share your ideas, share your thoughts. The stuff where it says, oh, here's Adobe Acrobat 9, we are now on, I think, 11. You know, we can delete stuff. So you really have a lot of flexibility, and I think this could be a tool that a lot of people out there find very useful. All right, the last new feature I want to show you here in Microsoft Word 2013 is for those of you who insert tables into your Word documents and want an easy way to sort of update or change them. They've made some, I think, pretty decent improvements. In this example here, let's say we want to add another row. What you can do is you can just hover right between the rows like this and hit that plus, and there you go. You have a new row. And let's say we want to add a new column. You can do the same thing and add a new column. And then as far as deleting is pretty easy too. You can click on an area and there's this kind of mini menu that pops up, and we can go to delete and then go to, in this case we want to delete this row, and bam, it's gone. You can do the same thing with a column. Actually, you really can just click in the first one there and go to delete, and then delete column. It shrinks the whole thing down. So these are some kind of useful tip with working with tables within Word 2013. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this video going over some of the new features of Word, and I hope you tune in again as we go over new features of other Office products such as Excel and PowerPoint and Outlook. So, all right, with that, I'm Stephen Husett here with the ITS Contact Center. Hope you have a great day.